Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Splendies panty subscription. So this is a monthly panty subscription. Of course, you get 3 pairs of panties every single month, and it's $16.99 per month, but the first month you get 70% off, so for $5 your first month, and that's automatically applied. I will link them down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored and no affiliate links. So I'll just link their website and you can check it out there. So they have a wide variety of sizes, pretty size inclusive, from size small to 4X. A lot of people suggest sizing up 1, but you can look at their size chart. It's all just like about preference, right? So if you like a looser fit, but these are like everyday pants, but they're like cute, comfy. They have a great variety and they're always based on like a theme, and they're so well curated and so cute. I got like so excited about last month. They're so perfect for Valentine's Day. So I wonder if we're gonna have something for St. Patrick's Day in here. I'm trying to think, like March, that's like the big thing. We've gotten some in the past, some shamrock panties, you guys remember that? But yeah, let's get this open. How are you guys doing? I probably should have done this before then. There you go. Well, this is making me think, this green wrapping, that maybe it will be. How cute is the wrapping paper? Or the, whatever you call it, not wrapping paper, tissue. Ooh, I don't know if it's a St. Patrick's Day thing, but there's definitely some green. Here's a little sneak peek. So I forgot to mention, when you subscribe, you get to pick what type of panty you like. So you let them know your size, and then you can customize it by cut. So you can get all thongs, all like briefs or regular underwear, whatever you want to call it. And then you can get a surprise variety. Now I get a surprise variety, so usually you get like 2 briefs and 1 thong, but sometimes I switch it up. So let's see what we have this month. And I think that's what we have. Okay. So the first one, the one that I showed you a little bit, this might be my favorite, but I don't know, we'll see. This is so cute. I love the colors, the green, the like teal blue, and the orange. It's so cute and fun. And it's like, okay, now the theme is like becoming of spring, you know? Like spring, oh my God, those little oranges? I think that I'm loving this like tropical vibe. These are so cute. So it's lace trimmed, there's a little bow, it's nylon. This is so cute. I love this. It looks like it's gonna be super comfy too. All of their panties are, to be honest. And I do get mine, I don't know. I think I get a size large. My booty's kind of big, so I feel like that's what I am, but I wear like medium clothes. But just for reference, if anyone wanted to know, I'm sure no one does. So this is Splendies brand. Sometimes you'll get an off brand or like a different brand. And the retail value is $12 per pair. And then next we have a thong with, I love this kind. This is like one of those no-show laser cut in a beautiful lavender, like, or lilac, what do you say? Because like lavender's like my nails, these are a little bit lighter. I keep talking about my nails all the time because I just got them done. I'm like obsessed. For Pisces season, ooh, Pisces season panties. Pisces season is like sea green and lavender, and this totally goes with it. But these are great, like if you don't want your underwear to show, like if you're wearing something fitted, you know, this is great. Oh my God, I love it. So it's nylon. Splendies brand. These are such a staple. Love it. And then last but not least, we have another like full back or like brief panty, and it's this beautiful color. Look, another lilac color, lavender. So Piscean. This color reminds me of Pisces a little bit too. It's this like teal color with a like light purple is so pretty together. And I like this little lace detail in the front. This looks like it'll be super comfy too. And it's nice, it doesn't have the lace all the way around, because I feel like sometimes that could irritate people's skin, maybe if it's a little too fitted. Maybe that's just me, but I think this is so cute. And this one is rayon. Ooh, fancy. Super soft. I think this is so cute. So yeah, you get $36 worth of panties for $16.99 or $5 your first month. So I think it's great. They're always so cute. Let me show you again, and then let's try and do a vote. So panty number 1. Panty number 2 and number 3. I love them all, and I feel like they're all really wearable, usable, like, but I have to say, this print just got me. It's so fun. I love it. This is my favorite panty. I would love to know yours, and let me know, are we panty twins this month? Because I know sometimes some of us get the same panties, but there is a variety. You don't always get the same as other people, so I would love to hear from you in the comments. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, let me know how you're doing. I hope you're doing well. I'm so grateful for you. I love you so much. Bye.